Hey everyone, my name is Nagaraj. Today we are going to solve birthday chocolate problem using Kotlin language. Initially, I'm going to solve using Java or Java approach in Kotlin, and then I'll be showing you how to do it in Kotlin approach. Okay. The questions might look confusing, but I'll explain you the actual question. I'll explain you the actual question. So here it is. They are going to give the number of tiles, that is array of elements. It is going to be integer, and next they are going to give how many tiles I need to select and what should be the sum of the value of each tile. For example, in this context, I'm going to select two tiles, 1 plus 2, and the sum is 3. So I can increment the counter by 1, and then next 2 I'm going to select. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, the sum is 3. So I'm going to add one more, that is 2. I'm going to increase, and the next two tiles I'm going to select is 1 plus 3, which is 4, 4 not equal to 3, and the last tile I'm going to select is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So there are only two tiles that matches this request, 3 comma 2. Likewise, we'll see one more example here. 2 2 1 3 2, the sum should be 4, and I need to select two consecutive tiles. So here 2 plus 2 equal to 4, we are going to increment 1, and then 2 plus 1 is 3, we are not going to increment. 1 plus 3 is 4, so we are going to increment, and 3 plus 2 is not. So the answer is 2, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. And in the third example, I can select two tiles and the value should be 3. The sum of the two tiles should be 3. 1 plus 1 2, 2 2 2 2 2. So none of the value will be matched to 3, and hence the output is 0. Okay. So first we are going to do it in Java approach, but in Kotlin language. That's it. There's some, okay. Here values are nothing but the list of values that I'm going to select, 1 2 like that, and this is dm is nothing but how many tiles I need to select and what should be the sum. D is sum and m is how many tiles I need to select. This counter we are going to print if the sum is equal to D. We are going to increment the counter and then finally print it for m number of tiles. And every time sum should be 0. Afterwards, if plus m is less than or equal to plus m value dot size. yes, until values dot size for I, and then every time I'm going to loop that if it is sum is equal to t. Okay, cool. I'm going to execute it now. What are the redo something I'm missing? The answer should be 2 in fact. Okay, let's see. For I is equal to 0 until value dot size if I plus m is less than, okay, j in I, okay, I plus m sum is equal to, okay, let's execute it. Yes, actually I did a mistake here. Instead of values dot size, actually it should be I plus m. Cool. We'll take one more result. 3 2. Let's execute this test case. It is 0 and the answer is 0. Yes, 1, that is 4 4 comma 1, 4 4 space 1, which is 1. Yes, this is the regular Java type approach. I'm going to do 2 loops. The first loop is going to check each and every, here it is. The first loop is going to check for first one. I'm going to add 1 plus 2. Then I'm comparing if 1 plus 2 equal to 3, increase the counter. That is what I have done here. For the first whole loop, I'm going to check the values in the second loop, and then I'm going to sum. If the sum is equal to the d value, then increment counter. But we are going to comment it and write the actual Kotlin approach. For 0 to values dot size minus m. Then I'm going to do is okay, if it is like this, then I'm going to map the current value. Let me use, okay, I'll use I because we are going to use IT value later. This I, again I'm going to do one more loop. That should be 0 to m minus 1, and then I'm going to sum by my values of I plus IT, and in this result I'm going to, actually I need to count the number of, maybe I'm missing Hmm. And then I'm going to count the count the current value is equal to D. And I'm going to println of this value. What as it can be. Okay, let's execute it. Hope it should work. Three, two. Yes. Next result. Next test case is this 3, 2. That's it. And the last test case 4, 4, 1. 4, 4 space 1. It is 1. I guess we have one more test case. Let's execute that as well. 2, 2, 1, 3, 2. 2, 2, 1, 3, 2. 4, 2. 4, 2. Answer is 2. So again today we have seen the power of Kotlin. Actually we don't have any use of declaring more variables and iterating it through many loops, though we have done the similar approach but in less than few lines, and you can see the difference. This is the power of Kotlin. Thank you for watching.